Today I want to talk to you about another Alfred workflow that I created for my own benefit, and I thought maybe it could help some of you guys. So we'll start here by showing it. It's just a Ramadan day counter. So I can hit the shortcut for it. And it gives you, today is Ramadan 14. So it's the 14th day of Ramadan. And actually, I want to check that out because I swear I thought it was the 15th, but let's check it out. So far. And then we can go. It's today. And that didn't give me the answer that I needed. Anyway, it doesn't matter. But today is, as you can see, I'm going to hit caps lock 1, and I get that. And supposedly it's the correct day, but that little script is due to this little Python script that I've built with the help of ChatGPT. So I can go start Alfred and go to the workflow section and Ramadan day. And I have the trigger as caps lock 1. And then it runs the script using the Python 3 interpreter. And it imports the date time dependency. And here's a list of days that Ramadan potentially starts. You'll have to adjust these as when the year comes and the day of the start of Ramadan gets closer. So as you can see here, I have Ramadan as started on March 11th, 2024. I could have set that to be March 10th because technically it would have started in the evening of that day. It wouldn't be the first day of fasting, but it may be that it's the evening of that day. So it gets today's date, then gets the year to determine the start date of Ramadan. That is where these come in, these list of dates. And I have that in place instead of trying to find a live API key, or not live, but free API key that I may or may not find. So, and then we check the date for the current year, and then print the start date, and that's it. And then once, if it's not Ramadan, you go to it's a if else statement that prints Ramadan has not started yet. And that is the little script I have that shows you I built to show you what day of Ramadan it is today. I hope you guys like it. It's a benefit to me. And if you guys would like to have this script, I will post it on my website along with an article discussing this automation, this workflow, and you can install it for yourself as an Alfred workflow. You know what? I'll share the workflow in a somewhere. I'll probably share it on GitHub. Okay. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you like it. And if you liked it, please remember to like, share, and comment in the comment section below. And tell me if this is useful to you or not. Alright guys, I'll see you all in the next video.